My intuition is telling me there'll be better days.
What's up, beauties? Welcome to my channel. If you are new, thanks for joining me. My name is Natalie and this is my channel, Music to Makeup. If you are part of my fam, what's up, guys? Good to see you. So today's video is going to be a real quick video because I just got done working 13 hours and I need to go to sleep and go back to work tonight. But my Boxycharm premium box was finally delivered, so we are going to be unboxing my May Boxycharm premium. So this is $35 and it's supposed to include products up to a retail value of $175. So let's see what I got. They haven't been sending a information pamphlet, which I'm not very happy about, but what can you do? Okay, the first product that I see is this Skin & Co. Truffle Therapy Eye Concentrate. So, created to target the appearance of tired eyes, puffiness, bags, dark circles, and signs of aging, Truffle Therapy Eye Concentrate has been perfected to hydrate, nourish, and rejuvenate the delicate eye contour. I got the Skin & Co. Truffle, like, Skin Gamage or something from Boxycharm. I love it. It is an exfoliating like cleanser, but it's so hydrating. Oh, so I'm having a feeling that I'm going to like this as well. Here is the container. Very nice. Super, super hydrating. Oh, that feels like silk. Oh, yes. And I can't imagine this being cheap. If I had a information pamphlet, I might be able to tell you. Let me look it up. Ugh, I don't have time for this. Okay, so this retails for $66 and it has 4.5 stars on Ulta. Alright, moving right along. Next I have Pure Heals Centella 90 Ampule. So it looks like it is a serum. Soothing ampule which contains Centella acetica extract. It relieves irritations of sensitive skin and strengthens the skin barrier. So that plant is supposed to firm the skin from the inside and leave a smooth complexion by improving the skin's natural functions. I've not heard of this brand before, but yes, I have so many freaking serums. This is 1 ounce. Here is what the bottle looks like. It's very thin. It absorbs quickly. It feels pretty good. It has a slight scent, but nothing too overpowering. Oh, let's keep going, shall we? So the next product is this Milk Makeup Glow Oil Lip and Cheek, a sheer blush and lip stain packed with hydrating rice bran oil for a shimmering wash of color. And this is in Flare. So I'm pretty sure that this retails for $15, seeing it from, or seeing other people's Boxycharm unboxings. So, ooh. This is a color that's different than what I have been seeing other people getting. The color that I've seen, it's kind of like, it looks like a dark purple, but then it doesn't look as dark once they applied it. Oh, there it goes. Oh, I put a dent in it. But this looks more of like a pinkish coral. It is pretty sheer. I don't know how well you're going to be able to see that, but let's try it. I'm just going to be getting in the shower anyway, so let's try it. Ooh. It's really pretty. And I'm wearing powder and this is going over it just fine. I'm really liking that. Ooh. And it gives it like a nice, healthy sheen. Yes. That goes on a lot more pigmented than it swatched. Ooh, that's really pretty. I wasn't expecting it to like it. I also thought I was gonna be getting that darker color, but I really like that. All right, next we have this Sugar Rush by Tarte Best Bud Lip Butter Balm. So this is in Peony. I also saw other unboxings where they got this, and I believe the retail value is $12. I think this is the most adorable packaging. I already have, ooh. That is really hydrating. I am a lip moisturizer snob. I'm very, very particular about what I use, but I think that this could be one that I would really like. All right, next we have, oh, this Kat Von D 24-hour Super Brow Long Wear Pomade. That is awesome. I love me in dark brown though, girl. If you saw the real color of my brows, they're like translucent. I probably could have done like a softer and medium brown, but oh, I don't know, I might be able to make that work. But like I was saying, I love me a good brow pomade, like the Anastasia Dip Brow. I just want to try this real quick. And it's not really a brow brush, but ooh, that's dark. Ooh, it goes on super smooth though. Okay, okay. I really like that. I wish it was a little bit of a lighter color, but I'll use it. Hell yeah, that is awesome. Okay, let me look this up real quick. Okay, so this retails for $20 and it has a 4.7 rating by 3,860 people. Okay. And the last product, which I was really hoping I would get, is the Too Faced Natural Matte Palette. So I actually have the old version of the Natural Matte Palette, and it's one of my favorites. So I'm interested to see the difference between the two. Oh, I really wanted the bronzer though. Ooh, I like this packaging a lot more. Oh, they're not, are they the same colors? Let me see. No, they're not. I mean, there's a couple of them that are the same, but not all of them. So here is the new one, and here is the older version. So Heaven, which is the top one, is the same, and Lace Teddy is the same, but other than that, they're completely different colors. I'm really excited about that. I thought they were gonna be the same colors. So this retails for $38. So, all right, let me try, I need to find out how much the serum is. Okay, so this retails for $28. So let me see, it's only $159. There's supposed to be a retail value of $175. Oh, you know, oh no, they still do include these. One of the things that I love about the Too Faced palettes is they include looks. The Too Faced palettes were one of the first palettes I bought when I got into makeup, just for that reason. I don't know how I feel about this not being the retail value they say it's gonna be. In here, not too thrilled about the serum, but everything else I am super, super excited for. So let me know what you guys think of my box. Alright guys, I need to go take a shower and get some sleep, but I love you. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you next time.